Are you ready to dive into the world of AI without spending a single dollar? The rise of artificial intelligence has transformed everything from content creation to productivity, and the best part, you don't need a big budget to get started. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, generate creative content, or enhance your workflow, there are powerful AI tools available for free that can give you big results. Now, let's jump into the list and start unlocking the power of AI for free. 1. ChatGPT Free Version, your AI writing assistant. When it comes to AI-powered writing, OpenAI's ChatGPT stands out. Even the free version of ChatGPT can assist with brainstorming ideas, summarizing content, writing emails, generating blog posts, and answering questions. If you're someone who struggles with writing or just wants to speed up the process, ChatGPT can be a game changer. Just type in a prompt, and the AI generates a response instantly. 2. Canva's AI Tools Design Made Simple. If you need to create eye-catching graphics, presentations, or social media posts, Canva's free AI-powered tools are a must-try. Canva's Magic Write helps generate text for captions, descriptions, and even marketing copy. The Background Remover is another fantastic AI tool that lets you erase backgrounds from images with a single click. Plus, with the text-to-image AI, you can generate unique artwork from a simple text prompt, perfect for content creators who need quick visuals. 3. Runway ML AI-powered video editing. For those interested in video creation, Runway ML offers some incredible AI video editing tools for free. One of its standout features is green screen, which lets you remove backgrounds from videos without needing a physical green screen. Another tool, Text-to-Video AI, allows you to generate video content just by describing a scene. You can also use motion tracking and object removal to edit clips like a pro, even if you have no video editing experience. 4. Grammarly AI-powered writing enhancement. Grammarly is a must-have tool if you do any kind of writing. Whether you're working on an email, a blog post, or even a resume, Grammarly's free AI assistant helps you write more clearly and effectively. The free version corrects grammar mistakes, suggests better wording, and even checks for tone and clarity. If English isn't your first language or you just want to polish your writing, Grammarly's AI can make your work sound more professional. 5. Copy.ai AI for marketing and copywriting. If you need help writing ads, social media posts, product descriptions, or sales emails, Copy.ai is an excellent free tool. It uses AI to generate high-quality marketing content quickly. Just enter a few keywords or a short description of what you need, and Copy.ai will generate multiple variations. This saves time and helps you come up with fresh ideas effortlessly.